Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's Casey Brand TV show. It's another beautiful day again. So, my brothers and sisters, if it's your first time you are seeing me or you're passing, please try to subscribe and leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Here we talk about migrant news, documents, updates. We give a lot of documents about migrants so that we can know what is happening around us as a foreigner. So we can be knowing information that is moving around, understand, around us. So guys, please share this video, please like this video, most give me more thumbs up. You don't need to pay for giving me thumbs up. You don't need to pay to subscribe or leave your hand on that bell. You don't need to pay to comment. If you have your opinion, if you want to ask any question, we are here together to learn. Understand, we're here to give information, to know what is happening around us. So today we're going to be deliberating on an issue that happened in Libya. Understand? I'm so upset to hear this news. I've read this news so couple of times. Thank God that UN have finally find that many migrants secretly, they are dying secretly in Libya. Many migrants, they are dying secretly in Libya. So this one I don't touch my mind, make I break and start. All my people go feed the year. Share this video so I will reach many Nigeria officially. Anybody want free help for this matter. Many of our brothers and sisters they die for Libya. Codedly. Understand? They die for Libya codedly. A young man, may I read from the newspaper, a young man, a Nigerian man, was born alive in Libya early this week, according to UN and the government official. The men accused of setting him on fire have been arrested. Thank God they don't arrest them. And an investigation into the incident is underway. They investigate this issue. This is a horrible matter wey dey burn my heart. Many people risk their life, come up from their home, go reach Libya now. Now Libyans now come dey burn them alive. This one be first time of many, you don't tell me the thing dey happen. But many of our governments, they know. Many people know they know. If they talk, this is a lie. People go there for Zazu, they go there for detention cell. They use tube, they beat the animal like say they be goat or they be animal. Men, women, they rape there. Even the men, they rape there. They say they kill anyhow. Who falling sick now, they just beat her anyhow to make it a control. This person, this boy now, the news talk, this boy don't do anything. No, they be three of them. They don't do anything. When they work for their workshop, now these Libyans reach there, carry one of them, begin to beat am with tube. I don't know what that guy do. Because they say there is no motive for this guy crime. Wetin the guy crime, wetin he do, where they will come burn him alive. So when they beat this guy, two of his friends come try to pull mouth. Now they come begin to beat those two of his friends. All those one that they beat them, they injure them very well before those one come run. If you see luck run comot, that particular boy now they kill now this young guy, they burn him alive after they don't use host. That gasoline hose, they beat that guy. They come put fire, set him ablaze. Set human being ablaze. This is a Nigerian guy. Share this video. The boy now, family go they Nigeria now. They happy see my pikin they Libya. Very soon go still reach Europe. They don't say they don't kill her for one corner. What a painful story. Libya wasting in Africa like them. Your own brother. We need to protect his life. Nigerians now they fight for SARS to stop killing the citizen. Now the citizen we see just by luckily reach Libya now. They can't kill her for Libyan land. Which kind of thing is this? This thing they boil my heart. They boil my heart. UN now say they must go down. They must take a deep details investigation to know this guy crime. Now they ask these Libyans now wetin this guy do. They say the guy not do anything. Just I don't know wetin the guy crime. They don't know wetin the guy do. Now they just carry go meet him. Maybe person, maybe one of him for my own think or where they think. Maybe somebody don't. Maybe with somebody gets more crash now. Now that one can go set him. Ambush for her. Use Libyans, they go kill her now. Thank God say they don't catch those Libyans. Now they say now investigation see they carry on. Even the UN organization with the Libya, they say this one now. There is horrible by killing a Nigerian migrant working in Tripoli, Libya, by 3 men yesterday. The young man was born alive in yet again another senseless crime against migrants in the country. Those responsible must heed to account. UN, we did they now, one of the UN, where they work for UN, say they must heed account. This will not be today, this thing that they happen. No. The one where they kiss secretly, where they want to see their body, it didn't one corner. But this one, thank God say they see them. Those boys see them, mark their face, come go report. Their police official come carry them. The government the account of this, and UN see the account of this. See what people they pass through for Libya. It no easy, oh. It no easy. People they Zazuna, people they say detention say they pass through hell. They go see me, you go control. As you move, they leave you for outside under group of mafia, because they carry group for their own detention say. They so still control, they will still control. As they move, they still catch people. That many stories where I don't see from many people don't pass through here before they feel enter this countryside. It's not easy. So when the Nigerian officials, when they hear officially, when they hear say people, our citizens see the death for Libya. The Libyans they kill them secretly on code. Thank God say UN don't investigate for this issue. Understand? So now they don't know say evil hand of the evil people who did that Libya still get hand for people life who they take anyhow. Don't be sickness they take their lifestyle, they kill them on code dead. If they don't control, they'll kill them. If you control, they'll still kill. So may God help our citizens, even Africans, so they will they suffer. I beg. If you get any opinion, if you don't see this kind of stress for life, comment me, see tell the official, tell them say people they suffer. People they suffer that country. When they go rescue the citizens where they did, make the country, our country better place where we feel live. People they pass through, come off for our better country, go Libya where the settlement every day, when war still they want one kind. This kind heartless thing what they do, let peace go in for country. They need to make this get good hearts. Person they run for insecurity, run for say the SARS say they kill people for the countryside. They constantly go on that country, they constantly go kill them. What's a painful story. The parents of this family now, for this boy now, the siblings and the relation relative now, they go say our pikin go so rich. Don't mean say they don't kill her for corner. What a painful story. I beg, my second news now. Italian now don't put law say if they go outside, make you dey wear your mask. This one a second news where I get update. If you go outside, wear your mask. Is very, very important. You must obligation to put on your mask. If they catch you for outside without no mask, no explanation, they will fine you 1,000 euro, 1,000 euro. Now they be the multa with the full one. One Italian man now they don't give am. He carry, he no wear mask, they run. See, they do sports, then they tear on 1K. No pity, no be 400 before they give 400, 350. Oh. This one no pity. Because the way coronavirus come to the high now for Italy now, it is shockalize the president. Then the president can't say okay now. Moku put a 1K when everybody for the wear mask. Because you no want me reach as effective reach before. This 4K when they get now, they don't reach them. So anybody they catch now 1K euro, tell your brother, tell your sister where they go outside, tell everybody where they go outside. If you know say you go they do show, we go they get your business where they do. No how to tell they run your matter, they wear your mask if they go outside, respect the law. I beg. 1K euro too big, even 1 month, person you see that money finish. Let alone you want to go pay 1K euro, go give government. Understand? So I beg. That one now, they're not gonna go right and draw your document will ever still come out. So small. Tell your brother, tell your sister, share this video, make for reach many people here. If they catch you for outside without no mask, as you don't leave your door, you go outside your house, you want to come out for your house, they go outside, put your mask. If they see you without no mask, they see now 1,000 euro, that be the muta. I beg, I don't want to go pay muta. The money you don't keep, you can go to spender. Money you want to pay asset, you want to pay your bill, you want to feed, you can go to spender. 1K is big. They know they joke for this one. I beg, if you dey go, may you hold your doku for hand. Maybe small control fit still dey now. Understand, because of this coronavirus issue. So guys, see you on my next video, and please subscribe, like this video, share to everybody, so that official ways, the Nigeria official ways, people can hear this news, people can know what is happening in Libya also, so people can still know what is happening in Italy. Put on your mask when going outside. It's very, very important. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and comment if you have any opinion, if you want to contribute to this video. See you on my next video, and bye for now. This is Studio Updates. Bye. More love and much love to my sisters. See you. Kissy Brown.